This guy says he can charge his phone with a plasma ball, but it does not look realistic. This girl is a professional at doing marker tricks. This doctor did surgery on an egg. It was a close call for this guy. Here's a breeding pond for frogs. This is a giant sea tortoise. It is best to leave it alone when it is laying eggs and trying to get back to the ocean. This shows you just how big a blue whale's mouth is. Make sure you like and subscribe.